Yo, check me out, right? Just wrote this, so forgive me. Yo, won't be sad, but I'm still lonely. Lacking the queen, a hole and console me. Give them a title and they switch on me. Man possessive and try to control me. Never gave you a reason, but you jealous when I go and kick it with the fellas. Now you tripping because they like the status. Thought you were queen, but you were just average. Gave you carrots, proposed marriage. Made you mad, what's up, doc? Then she gave it back, her first thought. Made up, so it's back on her finger. She gave up, resentment still lingers. First round pick was a bust. How I feel, utter disgust. I was in love with her, to her I was just lust. Ha.